Hey, it's Risa G coming in from her Ninja Woodfire workstation on her deck to show you a very quick, okay, a very quick way of making chicken wings on the Ninja Woodfire. I got a great deal on chicken wings yesterday. I decided, what the heck, let's have smoked wings. So here it is. I have already seasoned them. I seasoned them with Kinder's red garlic. Anyway, some of them with red garlic, some with just the blend, salt, pepper, and garlic. I set the smoke setting, which is putting it on grill, pressing the smoke button. And when it came to temperature, I filled this with smoked chips and pellets, I should say pellets. And when this was ready, when it was ignited, wonderful, I let it run for about a minute so that most of the smoke, that white smoke, was rid of, and then I put them on. Okay, it has said, now you'll see they are lightly golden, and I'm going to flip them. Now these are whole wings, all 3 parts. The only way I like to buy them lately, my husband really likes to eat them. He is weird like that. I'm more of a flat person. I used to be a scrummy person. Now I am a flat person. And I'm going to flip them. And I'm also cooking a breast, boneless, skinless breast for Trevor. And there we go. Back on. It says we've got another 5 minutes. I had it set for 15 minutes. But what I'll do is at 15 minutes, I will temp. I've got my ThermoPro. I'm going to temp them. And if they're at 160 or like 158, something like that, I will pull them off, stick them in my tray, and I will tint them with some foil and let the chicken breast cook the rest of the way, which should be another 5 to 10 minutes. I will have to reset it. With the Ninja Woodfire, when it's done, you have to turn it off. If you want to continue cooking, you have to turn it back on and keep your finger on the start button, and it'll turn off the preheat, and you can continue cooking. So that's what I'm going to do. It's got 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Remember? Let's see what the temp is at anyway at the moment. Oh, they're definitely going to be done on time. They're already at 141. And they've got maybe 3 minutes left. The breast is going to need more time. Alright, so I would think it's going to need probably another 5 minutes or so after this is done. So smoke is coming out. Love that I can smoke again. Yay. Smoke food again. Woo, 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 woo. Pumpkin, the cold brew with pumpkin cold foam, with sugar-free vanilla. Delicious. Alright, well, it's on, so. Alright, so it says it's done. I'm going to temp the wing. If it says close to 160, then no, it says 152. This one is 160. I'm going to pull this one off. Well, this one is done. Here. This one's done. This one's way done. That one's done. Done. Alright, so when it says done, which it says done, turn it off. Okay? Then you put it back on and you set it for whatever extra amount you need. I think that the breast is going to need 10 minutes, those wings are going to probably need maybe 3. And let it go. Meanwhile, I will. There you go. Smoked wings. Look at that beautiful color. They're gonna be delectable. Paint these. But it would be wing tip down. The wing tips don't pierce. Wing tips don't pierce the oil. Let them sit for a few minutes. See, I have 2 sets of tongs, one for raw, one for cooked. Raw stuff is together. And then Trevor's chicken is going to cook another 10 minutes. Those other wings are going to cook another minute or so. And wings are done. Okay? And the best part about this Ninja Woodfire Grill that I love is that once it's done, I turn it off, I unplug it, I keep the top open, I let it cool off for like a half an hour, grab the non-stick grill, wash it off in seconds flat in really super hot water with a little bit of Dawn Power Wash, and it's done. It's clean, it can go right back on, and then on the day when I do a deep clean of the top of the grill, that's when I really give it a good scrubbing with some pink stuff and a Scrub Daddy, and it takes about 10 minutes to clean it up once a week, and that's it. It's done. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to empty ashes. I don't have to worry about the deck, hot ashes getting on the deck and burning a hole in it. It's good. Wonderful. Okay. Sample one more time. 165. Done. breast is cooked. Done. Turn it off. And done. Then you click on, you put this back to over here, and it says bye. It's off. Okay. So I'm gonna take this off. Okay. I'm gonna just leave it like this, turned off, with the door open. It's done. So there we go. In less than half an hour, we have smoked and grilled chicken breast, boneless chicken breast, and chicken wings. A little bit of something for everybody. Okay. And that's that. That is my Ninja Woodfire smoked wings and breast. So if you want to see more Ninja Woodfire videos, please let me know. I will probably continue making them until I can no longer stand out here comfortably. Tell me what you would like me to smoke on here. Because the one thing I have not tried yet is a brisket. The one thing I have not tried, because that's a long smoke. But I have done ribs, I've done beef ribs. So let me know in the comments below, what would you like Risa to make for her next Ninja Woodfire video? Alright? And I hope everybody's doing well. And thanks for watching. Come back again to Risa's Cluttered Kitchen and her Ninja Woodfire Grill. Bye.